Welcome to this video. I've got a really good one for you here. You'll want to watch this full video because my promise to you in this video is that by the time you finish this short video you will have the actual secret to making money online. And it's not a gimmick, it's not a new technique, it's not a new product, it's something that I've learned over the space of 20 years making money online. And once you know it, you will find it easy to make money online, because it's the main thing that people miss, no matter how many courses that they go through and so on. So I'll get straight into it. If you do like the video, do give it a like, do give it a subscribe, and do check out the ultimate offer. I'll put that in the description. In a nutshell, it's all my products and all the training that you'll need. So if you do need help with the how-to stuff, grab it. It's an absolute steal. There's a video on the page that explains everything that you get, but there's everything that you'll need there to be able to make money online. So let's get straight into it. The real reason you're still not making money online. Okay, so I want to tell you something today that changed the way I think about making money online. When I started and I was struggling, because I don't believe most people fail because they've picked the wrong niche, or don't have the right AI tools, or haven't bought the right course. I think there's a much deeper reason that I'm going to tell you in this presentation, and everything will make sense once you understand this. So a little bit about me. I've spent years building affiliate sites, creating products, building YouTube channels, and I've noticed something over those 20 years. The people who succeed aren't usually the smartest ones. Case in point, they haven't normally got the best tools. When I started, I made over $300,000 with an Xbox 360 repair guide on ClickBank that was designed in just pure HTML, so really basic. The key is they're normally the ones who stop obsessing over the money and become obsessed with doing the work. Now bear with me, because I know that sounds really boring, but I'm going to talk about exactly how to do it, not make it like hard work. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's get straight into it. So think about it. You've got more information than ever before. AI can write content, build websites, create emails, even help with the marketing. There's thousands of free YouTube videos that weren't there when I started. YouTube didn't even exist, and now it shows you exactly what to do. Yet there's still people, more people than ever online, and most of them don't make any money. So the first point that I want to get across, that you probably already know, information isn't the problem. Okay? I think the real problem is this: you're chasing money, which of course is the main aim of the game. But every decision that you make becomes, will this make me money? Will this niche work? Will this video go viral? When will I finally get sales? And because you're constantly looking at the finish line, you stop concentrating on the steps that you actually need to take to get you there. Okay, bear with me, because this will help. Let me give you an example. Let's imagine two people starting an online business today, and they've got exactly the same knowledge, they use the same AI, they even choose the same niche, and one builds a successful business and the other gives up. What's the difference? It can't be knowledge, it's to do with the mindset. So let's look into this. Person A uploads a YouTube video and immediately starts checking the views. They refresh the analytics, they check affiliate sales, they wonder why nothing's happened after an hour or a day, and then doubt starts creeping in. They begin questioning everything. Maybe it's the niche, maybe YouTube is too competitive, for example. Maybe they need another course. Before long, they've stopped creating. Person B uploads exactly the same video in this parallel universe, then they close YouTube and start planning the next one. They don't care whether today's video gets 10 views or 10,000. Their goal wasn't to make money today. Their goal was simply to complete today's work. So that's the difference. One person needs results to stay motivated, the other relies on discipline. One works emotionally, the other works systematically. And if you repeat those behaviors for a year, those two outcomes are completely different. So this was one of the biggest mindset shifts that I had in my online business. And this is where the real meat is that will help you. I stopped measuring, especially when starting out. There does come a time when you flip this round, but if you're starting out and you're finding it hard to make money, I urge you to stop measuring your success by money to begin with, and start measuring success by completed tasks. So, example, did I publish something today? Did I improve something today? Did I learn something today? If the answer was yes, I'd had a successful day, regardless of whether I'd made a sale. I always think of it, and this little image here, like building a house. Nobody celebrates laying the first brick or the 10th, but after hundreds of bricks, suddenly there's a house standing there. Building an online business is exactly the same. Everything you produce, every article, every video, every email, every improvement is another brick. Now, I want to talk about something a little bit weird, but I wanted to include this because it's another big point that I use, and I think you'll get some real value from it. The other thing it does is change your frequency. So when I talk about frequency, I'm not talking about magic. I'm talking about a big determinant of whether you'll make money online is the mindset linked to the identity you operate from every day. Example, so if your identity is I hope this works, you'll constantly hesitate. But if your identity is this is what I do, I'm already successful, I build businesses, whatever that is you're doing, then you have your actions, they naturally become consistent, and you know what you're doing each day. You're focusing more on completed tasks than hoping, learning, watching another video, which is all good. I urge you to watch to the end of this one, it will help you. But the main focus, once you've got the stuff, is to put that in place, and your frequency will become a big part of this. So let me explain it like this. So instead of waking up asking, how do I make money today? Ask yourself a different question. What would the successful version of me do today? And that one question changes your focus completely, because if you ask what does the successful version of me do today, then you can play a little game with yourself and say, if you want to make $5,000, $10,000 a month, imagine you're in a movie. Okay, so I'm going a bit off script here, but I want you to get some real value. Imagine you're in a movie, and imagine this movie is about an internet marketer that starts a business and is now making $5,000 to $10,000 to $20,000 a month, whatever your goal is. And you have to have an idea of how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to do it through affiliate sites or funnels or selling my own product, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. But if you're asking, what in this movie, how does it start? What did you start doing? That will guide you, that end result of yourself will guide you towards the actions that you need to take. Because if you are already successful mentally, and you've already done it, and you've set your sat-nav, so to speak, on a certain destination, you have to start driving. And as you start driving, there will be roadblocks, there will be stuff that you have to learn, but that's why there's so many cars on the road, metaphorically. Because there's a traffic jam of people that will not carry on because the motorway's shut. I hope I'm making sense here. They go on and they get I don't know how to do that, so they stop. They don't take the country lane, they don't learn it quickly and implement, they get stuck in learning mode, or they get stuck in overwhelm mode, or they get stuck in shiny object syndrome, which is maybe I need more information. So you go round and round. So I urge you, if you were that successful version, another way you can do it is think of someone that's already done it before you and think, if I was them, what would they be focusing on today? And that will get you towards the actions that you need to take. Okay, so let me help with this as well, make it more clear. My challenge to you is simple. Every day, aim to do 3 things. You don't have to do all 3, but aim to do one or all of these 3 things. Number 1, publish something. Number 2, improve something. And number 3, learn something. If you can honestly tick those 3 boxes day after day, you're building momentum, even if you can't see it yet, that will change your frequency and get you moving. Even if it's down to, let me give you an example of each of these. Publish something, say not strictly publish, but let's say you're going to build an affiliate site and you've got the idea. Grab the domain, it's a 5-minute job. Set up the hosting, it's a 5-minute job. And if you're like, oh, I don't know how to do that, then you move to learn something. Just learn how to buy a domain and make that your one task today. If you do that, what will happen is you're lowering and shortening the time it takes from, you don't have to, right, so I hope I'm being clear here. I just want to give you as much value as possible. If your goal is to get an affiliate site out there, for instance, to make money, and you've not done it before successfully, and you don't know how to buy a domain, to be able to do this, you want to shorten the time that you spend learning and flip-flopping about. Okay? So think about it. If you're spending half hour going, well, where should I buy a domain from? What's the best prices? What else do I need? What hosting package do I need? They're all valid, but you can watch a 5-minute YouTube video explaining how to do that, or even all the hosts and domain registrars have videos showing you how to do that. It's an excuse to stop. Buy the domain, set up WordPress, install the plugins, plan the site, start on the content, and get that momentum going. And if there's any of that you need to learn, grab that offer below. I'm not pitching my offer here, but it is an offer of all my products that will guide you through all of that. But I urge you not to spend ages on it going through every single last bit of information. Focus on the results. Okay, so the next thing, stop chasing the money and start becoming the person who earns it. Here's something that will help you, and it hopefully, and it helped me. Money isn't something you chase, it's something that follows value, consistency, and persistence. Build those first, and the money has a chance to follow, because until you get something up and out there, whether it's a win or lose, you will have no way of making money. Do you want another really quick example? ClickBank. I've built over 50 ClickBank products. Some of them have earned me one of the ClickBank Premier. So it's a little club for the top earners. I wasn't the top earner on ClickBank, but I've had #1 sellers in the marketplaces, and I've been both an affiliate and product owner premium member. I even got a gift sent by, can't remember the guy's name, that used to own ClickBank, Dutch Ramashan or something, and he actually sent me a book and a little letter saying thank you. And anyway, built all those products, flipped all of those products eventually. Some of them were top sellers, some of them weren't. In fact, most of them made an income coming in. Okay, the reason I'm telling you this is even a product that gets out there that's making you $300 a week is a success. You can then flip it, build on it, grow it, and if you can't grow it, you can give it to someone else. Okay, so your success will come from getting value out there consistently. Okay, so a little bit more of a challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, don't measure your day by how much money you make. Measure it by whether you kept the promises you made to yourself. Because if you keep doing that day after day, you eventually become the person capable of building the business you want, and it will just happen. Okay, so I hope I'm explaining this. Your business will be built by the boring step-by-step tasks that people do not complete. the quicker you can get something up doesn't have to be perfect, the quicker you can get something up and out there to actually test results, the quicker you will start seeing traffic and so on. It's almost like you have to go mad with the seeds. Like, imagine yourself planting flowers. Let's say you want a really lovely garden. Well, you don't just plant one flower in the middle and then watch out the window and get really upset because it hasn't grown next day. You plant all of them. You plan your borders. You spend the day planting. You spend the day mowing the lawn. You spend your day on actions that will result in the garden, and then there's no difference in that garden between the person that plants one seed and 500 until a couple of weeks, a couple of months, when the watering, when the sun hits, and your garden will start to grow. And you will get, that's working, that's not. That's working, that's not. And then you focus on your wins, and that's how you build it. So, that is my advice. Build first, results will follow. If this video made you think differently, then do like, do subscribe. I've got some more help on this topic and on actual how-to stuff as well. On this channel, I don't want to just teach how to make money online. I want you to actually get the secrets, the stuff that actually help me, rather than I believe there's far too much how-to stuff that sends people round in circles. You can find it all online. I hope that's given you a mindset shift. If you did like it, do like it. Let me know if you like the format of this video as well, if you like the presentation format, and I'll do some more of them. And I'll put the ultimate offer link below. Do check that out. Check out the video at the top. See if it's for you. That will help with the how-to stuff. And then with your new mindset, you're away. So I hope that's helped. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.